I will talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on profile here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on edit profile, just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come to your photo profile, then you click in this sign. So then here can you upload from your camera or here upload from your library. Then here can you remove your avatar here. So that's all you have to do to add or change your photo profile. When you double click here on save changes, that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.